full body beginner workout. Welcome to GlowFit Guide, your ultimate destination for health and fitness inspiration. Today, we're kicking off your fitness journey with a full body beginner workout designed to get you moving, sweating, and feeling amazing. Whether you're new to exercise or looking to get back into a routine, this workout is perfect for you. So grab your water bottle, put on your favorite workout gear, and let's get started. Before we dive into the exercises, let's take a moment to warm up our bodies and get our blood flowing. Start by marching in place, swinging your arms gently from side to side, and taking deep breaths to oxygenate your muscles. Remember to listen to your body and modify any movements as needed. Now, let's begin our workout with the first exercise. Step 1, bodyweight squats. Our first exercise is the bodyweight squat, a fundamental movement that targets your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly turned out. Keep your chest up, core engaged, and lower your hips back and down as if sitting into an imaginary chair. Drive through your heels to return to the starting position. Let's perform 10 reps together. Great job. Now, let's move on to the next exercise, push-ups. Step 2, modified push-ups. For modified push-ups, start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart, knees on the ground, and core engaged. Lower your chest towards the ground, keeping your elbows close to your body, then push back up to the starting position. Perform 8 reps to strengthen your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Well done. Let's keep the momentum going with our next exercise, reverse lunges. Step 3, reverse lunging. Step back with your right foot, lowering your body until both knees are bent at 90-degree angles. Keep your chest up, core engaged, and weight in your front heel. Push through your front heel to return to the starting position, then alternate legs. Perform 12 reps total to target your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. You're doing amazing. Let's continue with our fourth exercise, bent over rows. Step 4, bent over rows with dumbbells. Grab a pair of dumbbells and hinge forward at the hips, keeping your back flat and core engaged. Pull the dumbbells towards your rib cage, squeezing your shoulder blades together, then lower them back down with control. Perform 10 reps to strengthen your upper back, shoulders, and arms. Fantastic work. We're almost there. Let's finish strong with our final exercise plank. Step 5, plank hold. Begin in a plank position with your hands directly beneath your shoulders and your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core, glutes, and quads to hold this position for 30 seconds, focusing on maintaining proper form and breathing steadily. And that's a wrap. Congratulations on completing your full body beginner workout. Remember to cool down with some gentle stretching and hydrate your body with plenty of water. Stay tuned for more fitness tips and workouts here on GlowFit Guide. Until next time, keep moving, stay motivated, and embrace the journey to a healthier you